Hi there, students. An impresario. Okay, this is a person. This is a promoter. This is a person who arranges different types of public entertainment, such as a theatre or a musical or a dance event. I think also sporting events or concerts or things like that. So an impresario is a promoter, somebody who sponsors or produces entertainment. In the old days, the impresario, maybe 100, 200 years ago, was particularly the director of an opera company who produced different operas. But today it's a producer or a manager in the entertainment industry, particularly in music or the theatre. Let's see, this impresario came from Italian opera, and this was the person who mounted or put together different operas not that they wrote them, but they financed them. They found the way to get them on the stage. So an impresario, but nowadays I think the impresario is more a person who produces events. Yeah, events for the public. An impresario could also be a person who sponsors entertainment, such as a sports event or something like that. In the past and even today, is the promoter of an opera company or an orchestra who produces a concert. So they could arrange for plays, concerts and other entertainment to be performed. But nowadays I think this would also include sporting events, concerts in different places, and things like that. So I think nowadays a boxing promoter would be somebody who you would, I think, classify as an impresario. Okay, so the impresario is effectively a promoter. I think particularly nowadays the big impresarios work with television, because if you get your whatever you're producing on television, then you're going to make a lot more money from it. Okay, so impresario. Let's see, formality in impresario. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think generally people will know it's some sort of businessman, but they probably won't know the artistic link to it. So yeah, 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from the from the Italian word impresario, which comes from impressa, to undertake, with an I. So it's like a business, an impresa, an undertaking in Italian. Okay, so an impresario, a manager, a promoter, somebody who manages, finances concerts, plays, operas, and I would also personally include sporting events and things like that as well nowadays. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Impresario.